Impossible! Let it for Tardash. Follow me, now. Hey! Can you help us out of here? Everyone broke the door to escape as the incident happened, but no one helped us. There's a ladder at the vent. You can use it to get into this room. We have the key card, but it's in the cabinet and electricity is required to activate the locking system. Connect these electrical wires in the correct place, appropriately according to the picture in this wall. I remember each room has one same picture but different in number and color. And the power on button is located in the middle room, the biggest room. You need to press it after successful wiring. We were born in the laboratory. There are many sample like us, but only the two of us can speak. And Nightmare also came from that time. We were trapped, continually were blood pulling by people in white shirt for testing, and my poor eggs were also been taken away. I need to find them before we escape from here, my kids. This door needs to be rotate both at the same time or at least both side open completely. Don't remove your hands or it will return to the before. IT will take a lot of time. Oh God, my kids are still there, those golden eggs. You can jump on us to get there. Help me bring them back, please. Impossible. Let it for Tarda. Follow me, now. Stand in the elevator and start it. No, Tarta.